This is our all-inclusive shipping service for international customers. You can pick and purchase your classic Norton parts on the Andover Norton website. When you pay the bill using UPS as your courier, our system will work out any tariff and duty costs, including an exclusive processing fee and handling charge calculated on your order. Then the team will pick and pack it ready for sending. Once it's collected, you can track your order. And when it arrives in your country, there will be no hidden charges, saving you the higher cost of it being processed by the customs team. Your parts will then be taken by UPS and delivered to your door. Then, you just need to put your classic Norton back together and ride it. All-inclusive shipping from Andover Norton to your motorcycle.